Java, we are before going to the Java, we first discuss about what is OOPS concept. Okay, so object orientation concept. The object orientation concept is called as base for all modern day programming language. As you know that you learn about the C programming language. C programming language is called as a structural programming language. Okay, that means what? Uh, when you write a program, then if you want to enhance the functionality of a program, again and again you have to rewrite the program. Okay, so if you add a new feature, then you have to write a program again. Suppose you have a first year. Okay, तुम घर फर्स्ट इयर अच्छी जदि मु ऊपर महलाटा करी then I have to destroy the first floor, then again I have to rebuild. मैंने मते सेकेंड फ्लोर करने को आउ थे मत रिडेभलप करने पड़ो ग्राउंड फ्लोर रू तो यहाँ हुए कि आम जो बिल्डिंग बनाऊ हुए एमती दिशा
No, sir.
आम जो बिल्डिंगटा बनाऊ आमर अपस्टेयर बिल्डिंगटा बनवा आम ग्राउंड फ्लोर टाक भांगिकी अपस्टेयरटा बनाऊ कि
No, sir.
तो आम कौन करूँ ना आमर जो फ्लोरटा अच्छी आम से फ्लोर उपर आ गोटे फ्लोर आम तैयारी करदे तो ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेशन concept is just like that. Without rewriting the program आम प्रोग्राम को रिराइट न करिकी आम सेम प्रोग्राम को जो नुआ फीचर अच्छी तादरे ऐड करिकी आम प्रोग्रामटा डेवलप करवा. The understanding the basic concept of object orientation, it helps the developer to use various modern day programming languages. OOPS is a method. By using of this method, you can develop any modern day programming language. What are the modern day programming languages that are available? Like it may be maybe your Python, maybe your Java, maybe your C# language. So these are the different modern day programming languages are present, which are based upon the OOPS methodology, which is dependent upon the object orientation concept. So Java is a object oriented language that enable to create a real world application. Real world application means suppose we are facing a problem. Okay, when we are facing a problem to develop, when we are facing a problem for getting a money from a bank, तो आगुरी कौन होता बैंक रु जदि मते 100 रुपीज भी काढ़वार होता सो दैट आम बैंक को जाऊली आम गोटे फॉर्म फिलअप करूले तापर आम काउंटर को दौले काउंटर गोटे टोकन दौला से टोकन को लेकिन एगेन आम क्यू रे ठिया होते तापर आमको पैसा देउतला. So for getting 100 rupees, it is taking a entire day. मैंने गोटे 3 to 4 hours नौतला गोटे 100 rupees हमको काढ़िया पाई. तेणु सेतिपाई peoples are not prefer to store the amount पैसा गुड़ाक से माने बैंक रे रखु नथले पाखरे रखिया को भल पाउतले because of for getting a money and for what deposit the money it will take the entire timing. By using of what this program, by using of object orientation concept we uh, uh, we what happened like or by using of this real world application ना हमारा real world application टा कौन रोचे ना based upon this problem हमें जो problem टा face कले based upon the problem the developer or software developer comes with a solution से माने कौन कले ना online payment पाई से माने UPI आप use कले online payment पाई हमें different different भीम UPI use करूचे ATM machine develop हैला. सो प्रिवियसली ये सब नथिला हमको पैसा काढ़ा को हेले हमको बैंक को जीवा को पड़थला देन यू हैव टू गो फॉर द प्रोसेस ऑफ फिल अप द फॉर्म. So for that problem we are creating the different softwares. So in Java what is the benefit is there the code reusability concept. Just a minute. the code reusability feature of Java, it enables the software developer to upgrade the existing application without rewriting the entire code. That means what happened, ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ନୂଆ ସଫ୍ଟୱେୟାର ବନାଉଛେ, ସପୋଜ ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କିଂ ୟୁପିଆଇ ଆପ୍ ବନେଇଲି, ୟୁପିଆଇ ଆପ୍ ଜାଣିଛ ତ, ଫୋନ ପେ, ଗୁଗଲ ପେ, ଜାଣିଛ ତ?
Yes, sir.
ଯେତେବେଳେ ଫୋନ ପେ ଆମର ଆସିଲା, ପ୍ରଥମେ ଆସିଲା ଆମର କ'ଣ, ପେଟିଏମ୍। ତ ପେଟିଏମ୍ କୁ ଦେଖିକି ସେମିତି ଫୋନ ପେ ଆସିଲା। ସପୋଜ ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ସ୍କୁଲ ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ ଅନଲାଇନ୍ ଏକ୍ଜାମିନେସନ୍ ସିଷ୍ଟମ୍ ତିଆରି କରିବି, ତାପରେ କ'ଣ ହେବ ନା, ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ସ୍କୁଲ ଯଦି ମୋ ପାଖକୁ ସେ ସଫ୍ଟୱେୟାରଟା ନେବାକୁ ଚାହିଁବ, ତ ମୋତେ ଆଉ ଥରେ ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମଟା ଲେଖିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବନି। ତ ଅଲରେଡ଼ି ଆଇ ଡେଭଲପ୍ ଇଟ୍, ତ ମୁଁ ତାକୁ କ'ଣ କରିବି ନା, ଜଷ୍ଟ ଟିକେ ମଡିଫାଇ କରିକି ତାଙ୍କୁ ଡେଲିଭର କରିଦେବି। So that is called as what, code reusability. So this feature of Java enable the software developer to upgrade the existing application without rewriting the entire code. The concept of working with file IO stream, it enables the software developer to store and retrieve the information from flat file or text file. The concept of working with file IO systems. File IO system is it enables the software developer to store and retrieve the information from a flat file or text file. Means ऑब्जेक्ट आगुरी कौन होता है, आम जो सी प्रोग्रामिंग करुले आम डाटा गुड़ाक कौटी स्टोर करते गोटे फाइल स्टोर करुले, पुणी एबे आमे बाय यूजिंग ऑफ जावा आमे कौन करबा, आमे फाइल स्टोर करि परिबा, as well as आमे ताको कौन करबा ना गोटे डेटाबेस रे भी फाइल स्टोर करि परिबा. So we can store the file in a flat or text file. Then packages. So packages enable the reusability of classes and methods. माने आमे कौन करि परिबा ना, जेतेबेले आमे प्रोग्राम बनेबा ताको गोटे गोटे छोटो छोटो पार्ट रे कन्वर्ट करिबा. सपोज आमे घरे जेतेबेले कोनोसे जिंस दरकार होचे, राशन दरकार होचे, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी परचेज दैट राशन एज ए व्हाट बल्क बेसिस, माने गोटे मंथली आमे परचेज करके रखुचे, तो हमको बार बार दुकान जीवा को पड़िबनी. तो पैकेजेस होचे सेमती. सो वी group the related program into a small modules. So when there is a requirement is there, you have to call that modules in your program, so that there is no need to write the program again and again. मते से program टा again and again write करियो को पड़िबनी. So it is enable the reusability of class and methods. गोटे मेथड टा को हमें बार बार यूज करि परिबा. वंस हमें थरे लिखिबा आ बार बार हमें ताको यूज करि परिबा. बुझियला?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in this session, we go for identify the object orientation methodology, identify the advantages of object orientation, identify the feature of the object orientation approach. So object orientation is what? Now it is a software development methodology which relate to the real world application. Okay, it is a software development methodology which relate to the real world application. So what are the software or application we are using today? It is based upon the customer need. We are facing a problem, so for that we come with a solution. That is called as the word real world application. It consists of class, it consists of object. Object means any tangible thing that you see in the world is called as the object. Okay, माने आमे जहाँ को टच करी परिबा, जहाँ को फील करी परिबा, that is object. So if it is a Java class, you are the one object, I am also one object. Okay, so every object share the classes means what? The combination of similar type of object which share the common structure and functionality is called as the classes. आमे जदि कहिबा bird, so bird is a class. ये bird भितर किए किए रहिबो, आमे जदि bird आमे गोटे कहूचे what, so there is a pictures comes to our mind. Peacocks belongs to it, crow belongs to it. Okay, so these are the different kind of birds are it's what draw in our mind. If I asking for the bike is a class, in that bike Pulsar belongs to it, Passion Plus belongs to it, Glamour belongs to it, Yamaha belongs to it. So bike means we generally there is a picture comes to our mind that it is having a two wheels, it is having a one handle. So classes means we share the common structure and functionality. Okay, so that is called as what, your class. Okay, means object share combination of similar type of object which share the common structure and functionality is called as the classes. Like you are taking admission in the you are in the +2. So in the +2, the +2 students are there. So it's not like that art student is coming and attend your classes. So as it is a Java class, you are attending the classes. So that is what the you are the part of this Java classes. Object can have interrelationship to each other. One object can interact with the another object by passing the messages. Means ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ when I am calling you, so you are receiving the call. That means what? There is a ringtone is there. So from the ringtone, you coming to know that somebody is calling you. Like in your home, every person is using the different mobile phone, and every person's a ringtone is different. Suppose if I calling to your mother ringtone is different, then you coming to know that somebody is calling to your mother. Okay, মানে ଆମେ ringtone ରୁ ଜାଣି ପାରୁଛେ ଯେ ଏଇ କଲଟା ମାନେ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ରିଙ୍ଗଟା ହଉଛି ଏଟା କାହା ପାଇଁ ରିଙ୍ଗ ହଉଛି, କାହା ମୋବାଇଲଟା ବାଜୁଛି. So if the person is not with the mobile phone, we give that mobile phone to the particular person. So when you are traveling through a traffic, it is signaling you red, it is signaling you green. So from that red and green, you coming to know that what will be your course of action. Means whether you have to stop or whether you have to move. So that signal is notifying you. So that is called as what? That object means traffic light is one object. It is interacting with you. It is giving you signal when to move and when to stop. Object can have interrelationship to each other. It involves the splitting of the software system into component part and arrange the part in the hierarchy basis. The object can have interrelationship to each other. It involves splitting of the software system into the component part. Okay, so it like when you are your mother is cooking at that timing, you are helping, means you are helping to mother for washing the vegetable or cutting the vegetable, so that if you give the helping hand, then easily the food is prepared before the timing. Okay, and if you do the work alone, so it will take the timing. So that is called as a what? When you have a complex program, so your program is divided into a smaller unit or sub part, and that sub part is handled individually by the each person. So every person individually ତାକୁ handle କରିବେ ଆଉ ସେମାନେ ତାଙ୍କ ଲୋକେशन से वर्क କରିବେ. वर्क कला पर देन अगेन ସେମାନେ मेन मॉड्यूल को कॉल करेंगे. ताले कौन होगा? इजीली हमें गोटे प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्यूशन दे परिबा. So in which way you divide, in that way you gather it. Normally देखिबा हमें घरे कौन कोचे ना डालमा बनोचे. जेतले घरे को भोजी भोजी तमे जाउछो, जेतले फैमिली पिकनिक पे जाउछो, तो देखिबा somebody is cutting the vegetable, somebody is started to cooking, somebody is bring the water, somebody is prepare for the salad. So when the things are divided and people are taking the responsibility, then ultimately what happened? Like we enjoyed the picnic, we're moving the picnic spot, as well as we're taking our lunch and we back to the home on time. So that is called as what? When you have a complex tax complex tax or complex program, that program is divided into a smaller part. So that is called the splitting of the software. बुझिएला?
Yes, sir.
In object oriented program, it consists of class and method. Object means any tangible thing that you see in the world is called as the object. Okay, so object communicate with each other through the messages. Like that I'm giving you example that when somebody is calling you, it ringing and it is notifying you that person is calling. The object is always communicating with each other through the messages. Like I am communicating with you that there is a class, so I am sending you the messages, then you are also notifying me that you are receiving my message. So I am an object, you are also an object, so I am communicating with you through the WhatsApp. So that is what one object communicate with each other through the messages. Then what is object? Object means it is a material thing which is presented physically. It has a state, it displays the behavior, and it has a unique identity. The object means it is a material thing which is presented physically. Okay, which is presented physically. So that is called as the object. It has a state. What are the state at the present? Like if you're talking about your mobile phone, Your mobile phone is having a different state like silent mode, ringing mode, vibration mode. These are called as the state of that object. It display the behavior. Every object display the behavior. Like when you purchase the mobile phone, you purchase the mobile phone in by knowing its features. So what are the features are available? It has a unique identity. Every object is having a unique identity. When you have the mobile phone, যদি তো ঘরে like you ତମେ ମାନେ ମିଶିକି ଗୋଟେ ମୋବାଇଲ କିଣୁଛ, so that mobile company is same, color is same, but the mobile serial number or IMI number is different. So every object is having a unique identity. Okay, so which is uniquely identify a one object. Two objects may have the same behavior and state, can never have the same identity. ଆମେ ଦୁଇଟା ଏକା ଜିନିଷ ଏକା ମୋବାଇଲ ଆମେ କିଣିବା, ତାର ସବୁ ଜିନିଷ ସେମ୍ ଥିବ, ବଟ୍ ତାର କ'ଣ ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ଥିବ ନା ତାର ଆଇଡେଣ୍ଟିଟି ଆମର ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ରହିବ, ବା ତାର ଆଇଏମ୍ଆଇ ନମ୍ବର ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ରହିବ, ସିରିଏଲ ନମ୍ବର ଆର ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ରହିବ. A car position at one place define its state. Okay, so car is present at its state means car is on the off state. Car ta chaluni se off re achi, on started state re achi. Then car registration number is called as the identity of the car. बुझिगला?
Yes, sir.
When car moves, it defines its behavior. Now what is class? The it consists of the set of object, combination of similar type of object which share the common structure and functionality is called as the object. Like bird is a class. So when we are calling as a bird, why we are calling the bird as a bird? We are calling as a crow as a bird because they are having wings, they can fly from one place to the another place, so that we are calling as they are birds. Okay, so similar way we're calling as what crow, peacock. Okay, then what like hens, so they can fly from one place to the another place, so that it is a it share the common structure and functionality. In object programming terminology, data within an object represent its state. Data within an object represent its state. Data is termed as attribute. Okay, data within the object represent its state. Suppose uh, when your mobile phone battery is like 10%, that means you coming to know that in like 10 to 20 minutes it will be what off, so that you charge it again. From your marks, I'm calculating your grade. You are given an exam, so from your exam you are getting a different grade, you are getting a different division. So from a value we identify that what is the state of that object. Okay, like if it is 10%, then we charge it. But when your mobile phone indicating 100% battery, then we are not charging it because it is full charge. When it is 10%, then we know that yes, the value is showing 10%, then it is required the charging, so we plug the charger over there. So that is called as what? From the value you coming to know that what is the state of that particular object. बुझिएला?
Yes, sir.
Then comes to the method. Method, it contains the set of instruction. The set of instruction to do a specific task is called as the method or function. Every function or method is used for unique purpose. Like uh, you have the Bluetooth option, you have the Wi-Fi option. This Bluetooth and Wi-Fi option is uniquely it is used, it is uniquely it is used. When you choose the Bluetooth is enabled, Wi-Fi is not enabled. When you choose the option Wi-Fi is enabled. So that is called as the method. It have a behavior, it contain the code to implement the behavior. It is associated using object. Okay, it is associated using object. It has the set of instruction. Okay, so set of instruction, it is used to do a specific work, and every method is used for a unique purpose. Like in your home you have the different switches. For fan you have the different switch. For bulb you are having a different switch. When you on it, then the particular thing is working, like the fan is working, the light is there, light is lightning. So every option it contain the set of instruction, and that instruction is used to do the specific work. So that is called as the method. And by using of method, it is breaking your complex program into a smaller part, so that every option is used for a unique purpose. In your mobile phone, like red button, green button is used, red button is used for disconnecting the call. When you what sweep it is upper, then call is disconnected. If when you sweep it down, then you are connecting to somebody. So that is an option which is identifying you whether you have to receive a call or you have to disconnecting the calls. Clear?
Yes, sir.
An object is called as the instance of class. Like if it is a Java class, where the part of the class or where the instance of that particular class is. So if student is a class, then student 1 and 2 is called as the instance of class, or it is called as the part of the classes. Messages are used for communication between the object, like we are passing the messages to somebody. Then the particular thing is working, like we send the message, then when you send the message, other person is receiving. uh, so we are communicating to each other through the messages. uh, like what, when you are moving through a traffic, it is signaling you red. That means you stop over there. So at that timing, the traffic police is not coming to each person and telling you that you have to stop, you have to stop individually. So red signal means we have to stop. If you break that rules, then you will be fine. So that is what, through the message we are communicating to the other objects. So like that, a car is flashing the light to pass the message to the other car to move. Okay. So when it is passing the light, then other car is moving. Now tell me, what is the different state of mobile, what MP3 player, mobile phone? I'm telling that. What are the different state of mobile phone? Mobile phone no ki state rahibo?
So state mane,
State means the situation of the mobile phone.
so silent,
Is good, silent,
vibrate.
vibration, ringing, switch off, switch on.
Yes.
Okay. The similar way MP3 player,
Mm,
for MP3 player, rewind, forward, okay, vibration.
yes.
So these are called as the state of MP3 player. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now next thing is what? John went to a shopping mall to buy some clothes. The door of the shopping mall was automatic, which opened as soon as John stepped near it and closed as soon as John entered the mall. Then identify the following: the possible receiver of the message. So who is received the message here? Tell me, John is went to the shopping mall to buy some clothes. The door of the shopping mall was automatic, which opened as soon as John stepped near it and closed when John is entered the mall. So here which received the message? Tell me,
So the possible receiver of the message.
is ki receive kariyo message?
Mm, the door.
Door, good, door. And the possible method the receiver can use. Method means set of instruction. The what the door does. is
So John.
हाँ what the door does ମାନେ ଆମେ door ପାଖକୁ ଆସିଲେ door ଟା କଣ କରିବ
Open ଖୋଲୁଛି.
open ଆଉ close କରିବ ବୁଝିଲା so that is the methods okay
Yes, sir.
okay okay so in next class I will go for the advantages of the object orientation approach okay